Hello everyone. Let's talk about steel. I'm Kevin Jiang, product consultant of MESCO Steel. This course I'm introducing prepainted steel, which is also called color-coated steel. Prepainted steel is a relatively complex product among coated steels because it is divided into many types according to the manufacturing technique, application field, substrate type, paint type, surface effect, etc. In this course, we will talk about the most basic one first. It is also the most common building material grade single color prepainted steel. Other types I will explain in the following videos. First, the production process. The traditional production method of color coating is roller painting. The painting method is generally a layer of primer plus a layer of top coat on the front and a layer of primer on the back, or a layer of primer plus a layer of top coat on the front and the same two layers on the back. Color. In most cases, the color of the paint is determined based on the RAL that is used around the world, and a few use Pantone. If it is a special color that is not in the above color cards, the customer must send a sample for confirmation, because photos and videos will not match the actual color due to the environment, light, equipment, and other reasons when shooting, resulting in color difference. Gloss. The surface gloss of prepainted steel, also known as brightness in popular terms, is generally divided into three types: ordinary, matte, and high gloss. If the customer has no special requirements, the gloss of prepainted steel provided by the supplier is generally 40 to 70. If matte is required, the gloss must be lower than 40, and high gloss is generally higher than 80. Substrate type. There are two types of traditional color-coated steel substrates: galvanized and Galvalume. Later, steel plates with stronger corrosion resistance were combined, and prepainted steel of zinc aluminum magnesium coated substrate, aluminum silicon coated substrate, and stainless steel substrate appeared. It should be noted that in the previous video I mentioned a material galvanized steel mixed with aluminum, which is specially used as a prepainted steel substrate in a certain area of China. The color-coated steel produced with this substrate only has one feature: very low price. The coating is only 8 to 12 grams, and the paint is the cheapest. The color will fade in half a year to a year. Customers who buy such products must be mentally prepared. Paint type. The most commonly used one is PE, which has a wide range of applications and has a service life of 1 to 10 years, depending on the quality of the paint and the thickness of the film. SMP, the quality is much better than PE, and the service life is 10 to 15 years. HDP has excellent UV resistance and a service life of 10 to 12 years. PVDF, the best paint, is also extremely expensive and has a service life of 20 to 25 years. Paint brand: KCC of South Korea, AkzoNobel from Netherlands, Nippon of Japan, Becker of Sweden, PPG and Vospar from America, etc. The most commonly used famous brand of paint in China is AkzoNobel. Part 1. Future Goods Market. Specification range. The thickness of prepainted steel that can be produced in China is 0.1 to 2 mm. The Boxing area of Shandong province mainly produces thin plates below 0.5 mm. Yes, it is read as Boxing, not boxing. Funny, right? Below 0.4 mm, as the thickness becomes thinner and thinner, the price advantage is getting bigger and bigger, but the quality is really not good. Private companies generally manufacture thin plates below 0.6 mm. A few also make thick plates. Width is 600 to 1250 mm. Governmental enterprises generally produce thick plates above 0.5 mm, and the thickest can be 1.5. The width is generally over 1000 mm, with the widest being 1575 mm. Thickness description. Some customers will indicate BMT for the thickness written in the inquiry. If there is no special instructions, the default is TCT.